Hello and thank you for your interest in joining my premium YouTube channel. I'm Andrei, and in this video I want to explain a bit what you will get as a premium member. And before I do that, I want to just give you a bit of my background for those who are new to my channel. And as I said, my name is Andrei and I've been using Photoshop since 2009. I've been creating Photoshop tutorials since then, so I've been an online instructor for 10 years now. I specialize in Photoshop manipulations, but as you can see from my channel, I have all sorts of tutorials ranging from retouching to photo effects and so on. Currently I have 400 videos on my YouTube channel, 52 of which are premium tutorials, which you will get access if you join my YouTube premium channel. As a premium member, what you will get is access to these exclusive videos. After you join the premium channel, you will be able to access the playlist with all the exclusive videos only for members. And I will put a link here on the video description, also a card here on the video, which will take you to that playlist if you want to see it, if you want to see the videos. And also you can see all the demos of those premium tutorials for free, the short versions of those tutorials. And of course, you will also have access to the PSD files and the resources of all the premium tutorials. And you can find those in the description of each premium tutorial. So whenever you visit a premium tutorial, on the link, on the description of the video, you will see a link that will take you to the community tab on my channel. And it's a direct link which allows you to download the resources and the PSD file straight away. The premium tutorials that I make are usually advanced tutorials. Also, I have some intermediate level, but usually they are advanced tutorials and they are in-depth tutorials, usually about 1 hour long. Some of them a little longer because they are more complex. But basically, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about the premium channel, you can just post a comment here on the video, or just go to my channel and contact me via email from there, or from my website, which is psdbox.com, using the chat that you'll find there on the website. The reason why I decided to create the premium section here on YouTube is because I know that for lots of people it's a lot easier than going through my website and just using a credit card or PayPal. And I think YouTube is a lot easier for many people. Also, it's a lot easier for me to manage all the videos and the resources here on YouTube. And eventually, maybe I will have all the content, all the premium content here on YouTube, and move everything from my website here to YouTube. But that's just an idea right now. This is new on YouTube, so right now this is just a solution that I'm trying and see how it works out. So if you decide to sign up for my premium YouTube channel, I just wanted to thank you for the support, and I hope you will enjoy my premium tutorials.